Hello everyone, my name is Vaishali Phulari. Welcome back to our channel P. Vaishali's Mathematics Classes. Here we are going to solve 2.2 exercise from the 10th standard Polynomials chapter. Before solving 2.2, let us understand some important points from this chapter. Polynomials are denoted with P of x, means this polynomial is in terms of the variable x. Next, degree of a polynomial. The degree of a polynomial is defined as the highest power of the variable x is called as the degree of that polynomial. A polynomial of degree 1 is called as linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called as quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called as cubic polynomial. The next point is the relationship between zeros and coefficients of a quadratic polynomial. So what is the relationship between zeros and the coefficient? First of all, what are the zeros and what are the coefficients? Actually, if there is a quadratic polynomial, it always follows a standard form. The standard form is given by ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are the coefficients. A is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x and c is a constant. Next comes what is the zero. To get the zeros of a polynomial, we have to equate the given polynomial to the zero. So we can get the number of the zero. Now the question comes, how many zeros exist for the given polynomial? It is based on the degree. Here we are going to discuss about the quadratic polynomial, means the highest power is the 2. So the maximum number of the zeros are the 2 here. Let us alpha comma beta are the zeros of this polynomial. Means at most 2 zeros are possible for the given polynomial. These are the zeros. Next, what is the relationship is forming between these coefficients and the zeros? If we do the sum of these two zeros, sum means alpha plus beta, the formula is given as minus b by a, and if we do the product of these two zeros, that is alpha into beta, the formula is given by c by a. This is the relationship between the coefficients and the zeros. Sometimes you are also asked the sum and product of the zeros will be given and you are asked form a quadratic polynomial. Here, to form the quadratic polynomial, we can do this by two methods. First method I will tell you while solving 2.2. Now let us discuss the second method. In this second method, just we are going to use a formula. The formula is given as x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. Into k. Here k is any real number. Shortly we can write it as k into x square minus. Just now we have taken alpha and beta as the zeros. The sum of it is given as alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. What value we have to use for the k? While solving 2.2, it will be cleared. Here we have a question. Let us read it. Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials. Means all the given polynomials are the quadratic polynomials, and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Okay. First of all, you are asked find the zeros. To find the zeros, we have to equate it to the zeros. Let us proceed for the solution. The given polynomial is x square minus 2x minus 8. Now, we have to get the zeros. Finding the zeros. You can make the underline of it. Now, how to find the zeros? We have to equate the given polynomial to the zero. X square minus 2x minus 8 equals to 0. How to get the zeros of a quadratic polynomial? You have already learnt in the 9th class. Here we have to multiply this x square and with this constant. Minus 8 into x square is equals to minus 8 x square. The factors of 8 are minus 8 x square can be written as minus 4x into 2x. X square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 equals to 0. Now take x common from it. X minus 4 plus you can take 2 common from it. So it will be x minus 4 equals to 0. Now here is x minus 4 and here is x minus 4. Take x minus 4 common. So it will be x plus 2 equals to 0. If a into b equals to 0, either a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. So x minus 4 is equals to 0 or x plus 2 equals to 0. The value of x is equals to 4 or the value of x is equals to minus 2. Here we got the two zeros, that is x is equals to 4 and x is equals to minus 2. Here we got the x values as 4 comma minus 2. Let alpha comma beta be the zeros of this polynomial. Now you can take alpha as the 4 and beta as the minus 2. Now let us find out the relationship between them. Now only we discussed the sum is given as alpha plus beta, which is equals to minus b by a. Now alpha plus beta, what is alpha? 4 plus beta is minus 2 equals to minus b by a. So the coefficient of x is the b, the coefficient of x is here minus 2. So minus of minus 2 divided by the value of a is 1, because the coefficient of x square, is 1 here. 4 plus into minus is minus. 4 minus 2 is equals to minus into minus, it becomes plus 2. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 is equals to 2. We got the same value. Next, let us calculate the product. Product is equals to alpha into beta is equals to c by a. The formula is c by a. Alpha is 4 into beta is -2. Alpha is 4 and beta is -2. So we did the multiplication. C. What is the C? The constant minus 8 divided by A means 1. 4 into minus 2. Minus 8 is equals to minus 8. So, if we see the answers of these two, both are equal. So, hence verified. To complete this first question from this exercise, please watch my next videos. Thank you.